something in the wrong airspace. Look like something in the wrong airspace. Look like something is in the wrong airspace. This is I go to blue lights again on that truck. I've been seeing blue lately for Israel. This is October. Ram truck, blue lights, blue Ram truck. October 16, 2021. October 16, 2021. In Gonzales, Louisiana. Look at the crown. The blue Ram truck. The blue lights on another truck. That is Israel. I've been speaking that the Most High God is going to send those of Israel, the children of Israel, to connect with Moshiach ben David, who is talking. And they're going to crown over Gonzales, Louisiana. The Ram truck, the blood moon is going to be in Aries, brothers and sisters. Aries, which is the Ram. Here go another blue. Another blue right at the light, right in front of my face. Another blue. So confirmation in the crown, the crown for the King Moshiach ben David. Psalm 21 is right over Gonzales, Louisiana. This is the should be the 9th day of the 8 Hebrew. No, yep, it's the 9th day. The 9th day. The 9th day of the 8 Hebrew calendar month Keshavan, because I did a lot of giving forth of information, glory.